Sir Sanjay has just explained to you what are parallel lines, transversal, corresponding angles, interior angles, and alternate angles. We will now go ahead and solve practice set 2.1, wherein a figure is given and using the knowledge we have just received, we will fill in the blanks. The question reads, in the adjoining figure, each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of the figure. And in part 1, we have to fill the corresponding angles. As you have already learnt, when two lines are crossed by another line, that is the transversal, the angle in matching corners are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always congruent or equal. They are on the same side of the transversal. Now look at the figure and let us fill in the blanks. Now they are asking us which is the angle corresponding to angle P. The angle corresponding to angle P is angle W. The next one, which is the angle corresponding to angle Q? The answer is angle X. The next, angle corresponding to angle R is angle Y. And the angle corresponding to angle S is angle Z. Now coming to the second part of the same sum, where we have to fill in the blanks with the interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles are pair of angles on the inner side of each of those two lines, but opposite sides of the transversal. And the easiest way to identify alternate angles is to look out for the alphabet Z. Now here we have to find out the alternate angle of angle S. Now angle S is over here. Now let's find out the Z. So if you look at the Z, it is over here. So the alternate angle is angle X. Now let's go to the second one, where we are given angle W. Again angle W. Let us find out the Z with angle W. That is angle R. So angle W, alternate angle, is angle R. Now coming to question number 2. It reads, observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pairs of angles. Number 1, interior alternate angles. as I have already told you, altered angles, the easiest way is to look out for the alphabet Z. So now let us try and see where we can find the alphabet Z. So look at the figure. So here you'll find and the angles at the vertex of Z are angle B and angle H. So here I'll write angle B and angle H. Now with the second pair of alternate angles, again the D, I'm drawing the Z, and the angles at the vertex of Z are angle C and angle E. So you have angle C and angle E. Now part 2 of the same question are corresponding angles. And as you know that corresponding angles are angles in matching corners. So let's find out over here. We have angle A and we have angle E. So the first pair is angle A and angle E. The second pair is angle B and angle F. Angle B and angle F. And the third pair is angle D and angle B. Angle D and angle H. I'm sorry, it is not B, it is H. And the next one is angle C and angle G. Angle C and angle G. Now we come to the last part of this question is where we have to find out the interior angles. Interior angles are angles that are in the area inside the parallel sides of the and on the same side of the transversal. They add up to 180 degrees and so they are supplementary. So now the interior angles being on the inside and on the same side are angle B and angle E. So you have angle B and angle E. And the second pair on the inside of the parallel lines are angle C and angle H. So we write it as angle C and angle H.